Hi, I'm Jenny Campbell. So as an assured and responsible breeder, all my puppies go to their homes with Kennel Club insurance for the first 5 weeks of their life. And I do recommend to my owners that they continue with insurance. You know, puppies are playful things and accidents do happen. They can slip, or certainly these guys like to chew a little bit and maybe eat the wrong thing. So it's good to have that insurance early on, and that's why I like to send them out with 5 weeks free insurance